What's up, Polygon holders? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special for all of you because my brother Polygon were fails down minus 1.86%. The price is decreased now. So what's the reason, my friends? So they were fails down, and what we will need to do to they will get again profit now, my friend. So everything with detail I'm going to discuss now, my friend, in this video. But please, if you want to get a more live price prediction videos, now subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for latest update and video a special urgent updates videos news. So my brother, the price you can see here, the highest price 1.14 USD dollar, but they were fails down to 1.11 USD dollar. This is short fail, so don't panic, my friend. After a short jump, absolutely they were fails down, but after a short fail, absolutely they will take a very huge jump. So therefore I'm 100% sure in upcoming time they will give you a profit, and this time a very critical condition, my friend, critical situation. But please don't see this short fail, my friend, because after a short time they will also get a very good profit and absolutely give you a very good profit. It's priority from my friends from all coin, my friend, in those days, because some coins were fails down 10%. The price will feel decrease now 10%, 5%, 6%. But this and all you can see here, my friend, this time Polygon minus 1.86 in last 24 hours. So this is very short fail. Don't, my friends, take any bad decision to you will starting selling. Just and only you will need to hold it and wait for 5 to 6 days, my friend. It's between the end of month. If you just and only start selling in the end of month, so I will give you guarantee, my friend, to Polygon is will give you a very good profit. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and just and only wait for the end of month. Please, my opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. And if you want to personal conversation now, just and only all and Instagram, Facebook ID, all pages, my friend, link is available now. So check it out and message me. I will reply you, my friend, and every time. See you next time, holder. Please like video and subscribe channel.